Want to help a physiotherapy clinic get more appointment bookings? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional landing page for physiotherapists in Systeme.io that converts visitors into patients. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Physiotherapy Landing Page, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Step 2. Choose a clean healthcare-style landing page template. Replace the headline with something like, "Book your physiotherapy consultation today," or "Relieve pain and recover faster with expert physiotherapy." Add a short description explaining who the clinic helps and the benefits of professional treatment. Step 3. Now customize the landing page by adding the clinic logo, a professional photo of the physiotherapist, a list of services such as sports injury rehabilitation, back pain treatment, neck pain therapy, post-surgery rehabilitation, and mobility improvement, patient testimonials, clinic location and business hours, an appointment request form asking for the visitor's name, phone number, email, and preferred appointment date, a clear button like "Book my consultation" or "Schedule an appointment." Step 4. Next, edit the thank you page. Thank visitors for requesting an appointment and explain when they can expect to hear from the clinic. You can also include clinic contact information or directions to the practice for added convenience. Step 5. Preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices. Submit a test appointment request to make sure the form works correctly and the thank you page displays properly. And that's it. You've created a professional landing page for physiotherapists in Systeme.io.